Hi there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create contact form in WordPress. To create a contact form, first go to your WordPress dashboard and then on the left panel, go to the plugins and then click on add new plugin. And then here, search for contact form. And this is the plugin we are gonna install. Just click on install now. Activate. So we have successfully installed WPForms. Now on the left panel, here you will see a new option which is called WPForm. Just hover over that and then go to the add new form. Now here you will see lot of template. All template are categorized. So let's see, I am going to use simple contact form. Just use this template. Now you can edit this contact form. Just click on that. And then on the left panel, here you will see the option general, advanced and smart logic. So let's see how to change the label text. So just click on that and then you can type anything. So that's how you can change the text. And you can change the format from here. And the star mark, you can keep it the star mark or you can remove it. Just click on the require. And then if you want to keep it, just click on that. So it appearing here. So same way, just go to the email. So every field are editable. Just click on email field. And then here you will be able to edit the email label. You can change the star mark. You can turn on enable email confirmation. Just click on enable. And then here we will see two options. This is for confirmation email. And then let's select the message field, and here you will be able to change the message field, make it star mark. Now on the top left corner, go to the add field. If you want to add other field, then you can add it. Just click on the drop down or checkbox or anyone you want to add. Just click on that. And you will see the field added. So you can edit this same way. So after complete your editing, then go to the left panel and go to the settings and general. This is form name. You can change the form name. You can add form description. Submit button text. You can change the form submit button text from here. Submit button processing text, you can change it. After that, on the bottom here you can enable or disable the Ajax form submission. Now go to the notification and then send to email address. Here enter your admin email. Suppose I am going to add my admin email address. After that, on the second line, email subject line, you can change the subject line. You can edit it or delete it, or you can add new smart tag. Just click on that and then you can choose name or new first name, and then from email, admin email, and keep it same. Now on the left panel, go to the confirmation type. Select the confirmation type, show page or go to URL redirection, and then confirmation method, you can change the confirmation method from here. After that, on the top right corner, click on save. Now go to your website and this is our contact page. Just click on that. So right now it's blank, so I am gonna add the contact form here. Just click on edit page, click on plus icon, and then here search for contact form and WP form. Just click on that. Now select a form. Just click on that and then select your form, which one you want to create it. And this is the preview. Now on the top right corner, click on save. Now let's see the preview. And this is our simple contact form. So that's how you can create a contact form in WordPress. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.